This video tutorial will show you how to create an online to-do list using the tasks feature in Google Calendar. Let's get started. First, you want to open Google Calendar. You can either use the waffle or the calendar icon on the right side of your email. You want to open it in a new tab. On the left side menu, there's a list of all the calendars for every class you attend. We want to click next to the tasks calendar to create it. On the right side of your screen is a blue icon, the tasks icon. Here we're going to set up lists to organize your assignments by class. You're going to go to My Tasks, create a new list, and title it. And click Done. There are editing and sorting options for tasks. Next to the My Add a Task, the three dots, and you have options to sort them by date. They can be renamed, deleted, etc. My Order is the default, and under My Order, they can simply be arranged by dragging and dropping. Now you're ready to add assignments to your task calendar. Choose the day and the time slot, and you get a pop-up window. You want to choose tasks. You want to give it a title. Paper. It's due October 6th at 2:30. Add a description and choose what list you would like it under. And click Save. Second option is to open the task icon on the right and choose the list that you would like this under. Add a task. Give it a title. You can add editing details. You can add a date and time. And here you can also add subtasks, which is an option to help you better organize and plan. Tasks are automatically added to your tasks calendar. At times, an email may contain information you would like to add to your tasks calendar. You simply click on the email, choose Add to Tasks. This puts the information directly into your tasks list. You'll see it right here. You can choose to edit, or you can add date and time, subtasks, and you'll see the actual email is actually attached and it links back to the original. After completing a task in your My Tasks list, you want to click it as complete. And that goes to the bottom of this menu. You'll see completed section. You can open that, and here are all your completed tasks. If you realize a task needs more work, mark it incomplete by unclicking it, and it sends it back into the task queue. Now you've created an online to-do list of assignments using tasks and Google Calendar.